Oh, why there's no color? I forgot to put the creamer. Maybe I put too sugar. Let me taste it first. No. Yeah, look at that noise of the wind. You know, in the Philippines, that strong wind always comes with a rain. So it's really, yeah, really disturbing when it's like that. It's always a typhoon. With my experience, we never had a strong wind like this. Just wind. Yeah, it always comes with the rain and wind, and it's a typhoon or a storm, as you know. It is now 4:35, and you know the strong wind is gone. It's still a little windy, but normal, but not as strong as you know before a while ago. I am thinking of going to the grocery without the bike, just the big basket, so that I can buy many things, so that I limit myself of going to the grocery, because I feel that going inside any establishment is uncomfortable because of this COVID. Yeah, we don't have cases here in the area, but there are cases in Sydney, and this place is a tourist area. Many people from Sydney coming here. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. I just finished. This is my bike. I will show you the bike of Kurt. Yeah, this is the bike of Kurt. He left it there last night. Maybe he got a lift from the girlfriend, or maybe the Inigo. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is wavy today because of the strong wind this time. I'm just going to show you this because they take out the children's playground. Yeah, they maybe are going to fix it. Playground consolidation. During 2019, Port Stephens Council successfully constructed a new playground at Banyal Beach East. Part of the original project brief for this new playground was to remove the nearby playground at Banyal Beach West. Okay, so yeah, they basically removed this permanently because they said it's becoming a conflict, dangerous for because it's in the busy highway, and because they construct a new one on the Banyal Beach. Yeah, this is how it is. There is one yacht. Okay, we go. Oh, I remember, I remember that when I was working in Dubai, we have a service. I mean, after work, we are waiting in our waiting area in the one side of the building, and we wait for our service. Yeah, most of the company in Dubai, particularly the hospitality industry, like hotels, restaurants, they are providing everything for the employee of the company. So they provide transportation. Yeah, this transportation, they will bring you to work and home, and to the grocery or supermarket and recreational area. Yeah, there is a schedule for that. Also, if you need to go to the clinic, you just need to ask the HR or the accommodation manager, and they will bring you to the clinic or hospital or anywhere. I experienced all types of service in Dubai. There is the coaster, like a big van, and then there is the RTA bus, also the double-decker RTA bus. I experienced that also. That is why even if you don't have money in Dubai, you need to go to work. You can come to work, yeah, because there is a service. And yeah, basically even if you don't have money in Dubai, you can live and go to work. Like what I said, they provide the food, transportation, and accommodation, most of the company. But of course there are some company that they are letting the people to stay outside, so they like live out. The company are giving them extra allowance, something like that. Also depends on your position. If I'm not mistaken, most of the manager, the company also providing the car. If you are a manager or a head chef, they will provide you a car or a taxi allowance. Also housing allowance, they will provide you for that. But for an ordinary employee, here in Australia, there is a 3 times higher salary here in Australia compared to UAE, compared to Dubai. Also you will see the big difference. You will notice the very rich and very poor in United Arab Emirates, in Dubai. Here in Australia, you don't really notice the rich and the poor. Yeah, but in Dubai, let's say Dubai because Dubai is the one that is known. But in Dubai, luxury is affordable. You know, even if your salary is not that much, like in my case, my salary in Dubai is just 3,000 dirhams a month. But yeah, I was able to experience the luxury of staying in luxury hotel, experience the gym membership, things like that. And yeah, those things. But here in Australia, it feels that even if you have enough salary, it feels like luxury is expensive. I mean that, you know, I don't know. I mean, it's not really available anywhere. In Dubai, luxury is just everywhere, and you will be tempted to experience it. I mean, it depends on the person. For myself, I am tempted to experience that. And yesterday, oh no, not 2 days ago or 3 days ago, before my day off, one of the new chef asked me if I am coming directly from the Philippines to Australia. I said no, I was coming from Dubai. I was working there for 7 years. I said, really? He was surprised. And yeah, he asked me how is it. I said it's good in Dubai. Everything is provided by the company. You will have a good life. And he said that maybe it is boring in there. And then I said, well, it depends to you, chef, because yeah, most of the things in there are luxury. Yeah, there's no bushland. What I mean is there is much more things to do here in Australia than in UAE, than in Dubai. I miss you. There's no other way to say it, and I can't deny it. And because we are living in an accommodation, so most of the people we know each other. The people in the hotel are the same people that you're going to see in the accommodation. And sometimes there is a party in one room, in one apartment, and after work we go there to eat. Yeah, something like that. And it was good. So when I was in Dubai, my pastime is also like this. I mean, not in the bike, but yeah, like during my day off, I always go to the shopping mall. I go walk around the city. Yeah, just walking, taking a bus. Yeah, that's what I do when I was in Dubai. The same like what I am doing now. I mean, I'm alone. I do it alone when I am day off. But yeah, of course there are times that I am with my colleague, with my friends. We go to some places. Yeah, that is my life in Dubai. There's nothing much to do in Dubai for me. Some of my colleagues, especially the European, the Italian, after work they usually go to the pub. Yeah, they are drinking, of course. That is the life in there. And going to the beach, because Dubai is surrounded by beautiful beaches. So that's the thing that they do there. Every summer it's very hot. 35 degrees is very hot because of the extreme humidity. Like if you have a bottle of water and you're walking around, in 5 minutes the water will be hot also. That is how it is in Dubai. Yeah, so beaches are full of people during summer. Yeah, and of course the beaches also have people wearing normal bathing suit, bikini. Yeah, even if it is Arabic country, it is open like that. People can wear normal swimming suit. And of course during winter, the same like the beaches here. You don't see much people. And during summer you don't see much people walking around. Yeah, everyone are in the car and the buses. Yeah, really hot in there. And in Dubai, most of the shop and restaurant, they are open until 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And during Ramadan they are actually open 24 hours. Yeah, like Dubai Mall, they are open 24 hours during Ramadan. Yeah, before, I don't know these days, because it's been 4 years that I was not in Dubai. Yeah, Dubai is also a good experience. You should consider working in there, because if you are in Dubai, you are near to Europe, near to Southeast Asia. Yeah, things like that, so you can travel to those places. And the same like Australia, places like this, the parks, they are also properly maintaining the parks in Dubai. So they are also beautiful, covered with grass like this, beautiful flowers. Yeah, also organized and beautiful. And of course there are also many children's playground in there. I don't know if there is company here in Australia that provides everything for their employee. I am not sure, because like what I've said, in Dubai they provide everything. Here in Australia you will take care of everything. Yeah, so you will be responsible to yourself. You will take care of your food, transportation, accommodation, your health insurance, electricity bill, something like that, house rent, and of course take care of yourself.